Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, we are going to be making oxtail with the Polynesian sauce from Chick-fil-A. Yes, I said it, the Polynesian sauce from Chick-fil-A. The first ingredients is accent. All these ingredients you could get from your local Walmart or local grocery store. I do know it sounds crazy, but this recipe is fantastic. So if you like oxtail, please watch, like, and follow. I will be doing a full tutorial depending on how many views this video get. Probably for 100 views or 100 likes, it will be I'll make a full tutorial. So yes, I am 100% Jamaican, so I do know what I am doing. Oh yeah guys, for these seasoning that I'm putting on this oxtail, I do not know exact amount that I am doing. I just know, like, it's like your grandmother that been cooking for years. She just know when to stop putting seasoning on something. Like, I just know I've been doing this for years now, and these next two ingredients are optional. The cayenne pepper and the crushed red pepper is optional. I like spice to my food, so that's why I add crushed pepper and the cayenne pepper to this oxtail. But like I said, it is optional. You do not have to do it if you do not like spice. The next ingredients is key to making oxtail is the browning sauce, or some places have gravy master. So one or the other is very good to making oxtail. This is how you get your color. So if your oxtail is white, you did not use this. Now you add your Chick-fil-A sauce, and you add as much as you want, just a couple circles, and then you start mixing everything together, guys. And then if you want, you could either let it sit, make sure everything have like a even amount of coating, so don't have any of your oxtail without any of the sauce on it or any of the seasoning on it. So just make sure everything is stirred up properly and everything get its color. And as you guys can see, it's a little red, and that's mainly from the Chick-fil-A sauce. But you could either add some more browning or gravy master, and then you can make it darker if you want. But number one thing is, do not use gravy packet. If you use gravy packet with oxtail, you definitely do not know how to cook oxtail. Gravy packet and oxtail do not go together. You let this sit for a little bit, or you could put it in the fridge for tomorrow, or you could go ahead and put it on the stove if you want. But that's all you do, guys. That's the seasoning process. And then now for the final process, after I cooked it down, all I really did was just add some sweet potatoes, onion, and mushroom. And then I cooked it down and season it all over again. Like I said, if you would like to see a whole tutorial of this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And as you guys can see, these are some big chunks of oxtail, not those teeny ones that you get in the restaurant. So if you like this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe.